Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best clock tower is probably one of the most detailed and impressive LEGO sets I've ever built. From the intricate clock face to the various rooms and characters, every aspect of this set is a testament to LEGO's design and engineering prowess. Join me as we delve into the world of this magnificent build, exploring its features, and discussing why it's a must-have for any LEGO enthusiast. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Introducing the LEGO Ideas Central Perk set. This set lets you recreate iconic scenes from the beloved TV show. It's a fun way to show off your love for Friends. This set is packed with details, just like the real Central Perk. It includes minifigures of all your favorite characters. You'll love building and displaying it. The set includes Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther. Each character comes with accessories to help you roleplay memorable scenes. They are all here. With 1,070 pieces, this collectible LEGO toy is a great gift. It's perfect for fans aged 16 and up. It's a rewarding building experience. This set is compatible with other LEGO sets. You can create your own mashup models and unique stories. It's a great way to expand your collection. The finished model measures over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. It will make a big impression when displayed in any room. It's a great conversation starter. What we like. This set perfectly recreates the iconic Central Perk Cafe, allowing you to relive your favorite Friends moments. It includes detailed minifigures of the main characters, making it perfect for display. If you are a fan of the show and want a fun, nostalgic build, this set is a must-have. What people say. The clock tower is a beautiful and intricate build. The set includes a variety of minifigures, including Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, and Cedric Diggory. The clock tower features several iconic locations from the film, such as the hospital wing and the Defense Against the Dark Arts classroom. Number 4. LEGO Ideas ISS 21321 Building Kit. This LEGO Ideas set lets you build a detailed model of the ISS. It features rotating joints, adjustable solar panels, and a posable Canadarm too. It's a great way to challenge your building skills. Discover the many authentic details of this ISS model. It includes a stand, astronaut microfigures, a mini NASA space shuttle, and cargo spacecrafts. This set is designed to create a spectacular display. The set comes with a booklet filled with facts about the International Space Station. It also celebrates the LEGO Ideas theme. This set offers a journey of discovery for space enthusiasts. This set is a super treat for yourself or a great gift for space fans. It's perfect for adults aged 16 plus or experienced LEGO builders. It offers hours of creative fun. Once built, this ISS model makes a beautiful display. It measures over 7 inches high and 19 inches wide. It's sure to catch the eye of every passerby. What we like. This set features rotating solar panels and a highly detailed ISS model, offering a unique building experience. It's a fantastic display piece that also provides fascinating facts about the International Space Station. If you are a space enthusiast or looking for a challenging build with an educational aspect, you should consider this. What people say. The clock tower is a beautiful and detailed set. The set includes a working clock mechanism. The build is enjoyable and the finished model is impressive. Number 3. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Express 75955. Get ready to build the iconic Hogwarts Express. This LEGO set lets you recreate the magical train and start your own adventure. It's perfect for any Harry Potter fan. The set features a detailed model train with a removable side panel and roof. You can explore the interior and imagine the journey to Hogwarts. The design is true to the movie. This set includes Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, and Hermione Granger minifigures. It also features Remus Lupin, the Trolley Witch, a Dementor, and even Scabbers. They are all ready for the adventure. The set includes a railway bridge and platform 9 3/4. You can recreate the iconic scene from the movies. It is a great addition to the train. With 801 pieces, this set is designed for builders aged 8 to 14. It's also great for fans of all ages. You can combine it with other LEGO sets for even more creative play. The Hogwarts Express measures over 3 inches high, 18 inches long, and 1 inch wide. It's a great display piece. It is ready for you to build and play. What we like. This set lets you build the iconic Hogwarts Express train, complete with a railway bridge and platform 9 3/4. It includes beloved characters like Harry, Ron, and Hermione, allowing you to recreate magical scenes. If you like the Harry Potter series and want to embark on a magical journey, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The clock tower is a beautiful and detailed model. The set includes a variety of minifigures, including Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, and Dumbledore. The clock tower features several iconic locations from the Harry Potter films, such as the Great Hall and the Hospital Wing. Number 2. LEGO NASA Apollo 11 Lunar Lander 10266. Relive the historic moon landing with this detailed LEGO set. It's a replica of the Eagle lunar lander, ready to bring the space adventure to you. This set features a detailed lunar lander with a lunar surface. You can see the crater, footprints, and even the US flag. It's a realistic space experience. The modular set includes a descent stage with gold-colored landing pads. It also has panels, an opening camera, laser hatches, and a movable ladder. This model is amazing. Inside the ascent stage, you'll find a detailed interior. It has room for 2 astronaut minifigures. There is also an Apollo 11 lunar lander nameplate. The set includes 2 astronaut minifigures with NASA decoration and golden helmets. They are ready to explore the moon. This is a great collector's item. This building model makes a great centerpiece for home or office. It provides a challenging and rewarding building experience for adults. It is a great display. What we like. This set features a detailed replica of the Eagle lunar lander, complete with a lunar surface and astronaut minifigures. It is a realistic modular model that makes a great collector's display. If you are a space history enthusiast or looking for a challenging and rewarding build, you should consider this. What people say. The clock tower is a beautiful set. The build is very detailed and the finished model is impressive. The clock tower has a lot of nice features. Number 1. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Clock Tower 75948. This set brings the enchanting world of Harry Potter to life. It features iconic locations from the movies, ready for you to explore. The set includes the defense against the dark art classroom, Dumbledore's office, and a section of the icy ballroom. It's packed with details from the films. This set includes 8 minifigures of your favorite characters. You can play with Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, and more. This set can be built together with all other original LEGO sets. It encourages creative building and makes a great gift for any wizard enthusiast. The Hogwarts Clock Tower measures over 13 inches high, 13 inches wide and 7 inches deep. It's a great gift for kids aged 9+ and fans of all ages. What we like. This set allows you to build the Hogwarts Clock Tower, featuring multiple iconic locations from the Harry Potter movies. It includes 8 minifigures of your favorite characters. If you are a Harry Potter fan and want a playset with many characters and iconic locations, you should consider this. What people say. All of the HP LEGO sets we've purchased or received as gifts have been great designs, great value for the money, look great and regal. She loves spending hours building the sets, and with the lighting kits they really come to life. This was my first LEGO set as an adult, safe to say I'm hooked now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.